Welcome to JM Bakers Academy YouTube channel, and today we are going to produce eggless banana walnut cake. So it's a very simple cake with three ingredients which we are going to mix and bake for you today. The cakes what we are going to create is known as a traveling cakes. Traveling cakes means it is ideal for taking for travel. It will have a shelf life for 3 to 4 days, no problem. It will be moist enough. So let's go to the program. Good morning viewers. As I said, today we are going to produce eggless banana cake. So the ingredients what we will be taking is 250 grams of eggless premix, 137 grams of water and 20 ml of oil, ripe bananas, vanilla flavor, and of course we are going to have some walnuts for the dressing. So this is a very simple cake. I have measured out all the ingredients. What I am going to do is I am going to add the water, premix, mix it. Later on we will add oil and deposit it in the small traveling cake molds and bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes depending upon the baking. Now we do the mixing. 137 ml of water and 250 grams of eggless premix. I run it for a slow speed for 1 minute. Now I am going to add some vanilla flavor. If you want, you can add banana flavor, but be careful, banana flavor is very strong. So I prefer vanilla flavor, 100 ml. Since this cake does not contain egg, I am giving little yellow color so that the cake will have a nice golden crumb. Now I am going to mix it for 3 minutes at high speed. And now I am going to add the oil. You can add very well butter also, you can add melted butter also, you can add to enhance the flavor. I am going to run it for slow speed 1 minute. So now I am going to deposit the batter into my piping bag. It's a beautiful, it will not. And what I am going to do is I am going to add some bananas. Maybe 3 slices is good enough for this small cake. Okay. So now this I am going to bake it for 180 degrees for 30 minutes. So viewers, the banana walnut eggless traveling cake is ready. I am going to pick it up. Glass. So now I check the cake with a knife, inserting a skewer knife. Cake is well baked. It has taken. We prepare some sugar syrup. I have taken 100 ml of water and 50 grams of sugar, and we can either pour it or you can brush the cake with little bit of syrup. Now I am going to do some dressing, lemon dressing. I have taken 200 grams of powdered sugar, and I am going to add little bit of water, and I am going to make a fondant. This one I am keeping it plain. Viewers, today we have produced eggless banana walnut lemon cake. It is a traveling cake. You can take it wherever you traveling, take it along with you. It is a moist cake, and above all, it is fatless, except a little bit of oil is there in the cake. And those who are interested, who want to have any queries in bakery, please contact me in 999-437-4371, or you can join our Skill India Craft Bakers program. Hands-on training will be provided. You will be certified as a craft baker, and it will be eligible for you to join bakeries, or you can set up your own bakery, which will be glad to help you. Any bakery related queries, please do not hesitate to contact me. I am here to serve you. Thank you.